My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are going to discuss an interesting topic, socialism and capitalism. These two systems are fundamental theories that influence the world economy, but how do their foundations and practical outcomes differ? Let's get started. Introduction to socialism. When the theory of socialism emerged, it highlighted that capitalism has left the fundamental issues of the economy to the blind forces of the market. According to this theory, the forces of supply and demand are chaotic and unregulated, which can lead people in the wrong direction over time. Principles of socialism. Explanation of principles through PowerPoint. The fundamental principles of socialism include: 1. Collective ownership. The means of production cannot be the personal property of any individual. 2. Planning. The economy will be planned by the government, which will determine what crops should be grown on how much land and what should be produced in which factory. Introduction to capitalism. On the other hand, the foundations of capitalism are based on individual ownership and minimal government intervention. In this system, everyone has complete freedom to own property and earn profits. Principles of capitalism. Explanation of capitalist principles. The fundamental principles of capitalism are: 1. Individual ownership. Every person can own the means of production. 2. Minimal government intervention. The government should refrain from intervening in the market. 3. Personal profit motive. An individual's self-interest will drive economic activities. Outcomes of socialism. The practical experiences of socialism have shown that this system is inherently unnatural. The world witnessed that after 74 years of experience, this system collapsed. As the Russian leader said, "I wish socialism had been tested in a smaller country." Flaws of capitalism. Despite claims of success in capitalism, this system also faces flaws. The complete freedom to earn profits leads to the establishment of monopolies in the market, rendering the forces of supply and demand ineffective. Moral issues. Here, an important point is that there is a lack of moral value in the market. When every possible means of earning profit is considered permissible, corruption, injustice, and oppression arise. Today, we have seen how the theories of socialism and capitalism influence various aspects of the economy. Both have their benefits and drawbacks, but humanity needs a system that also considers social justice, moral values, and economic development. Your thoughts are important to us, so please share your opinions in the comments below.